In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate faces in Blender. We'll keep this clear and simple so you can follow along in real time. First, make sure you're in the 3D viewport and select the mesh object you want to edit. Just click it to highlight it. This tells Blender exactly which model you want to work on. If nothing is selected, you won't be able to get to the face you want. So take a second to confirm you've got the right object active. Now let's enter edit mode. Press tab on your keyboard. Edit mode lets you work on the actual geometry of your mesh rather than moving the whole object around. You'll notice the look of the model changes slightly, often showing its edges more clearly. That's your cue you're in the right place. Next, switch to face select mode. Press the number 3 key on your keyboard. Blender has 3 selection modes: vertices, edges, and faces, and face select makes it easy to grab and manipulate an entire polygon at once. If you see little square dots or lines being highlighted instead of broad surfaces, you're probably in the wrong mode, so press 3 again to make sure. Select the face you want to rotate by clicking directly on it. You should see it highlight to confirm your selection. If you accidentally select the wrong one, simply click elsewhere to change your selection. Keep it to a single face for now so you can clearly see the rotation you're applying. To rotate the face, press R. This activates the rotate tool. As you move your mouse, you'll see the face begin to spin. Take your time and watch how it behaves relative to the rest of the mesh. If you want more control, constrain the rotation to a specific axis. After pressing R, press X, Y, or Z to lock the rotation along that axis. Remember, X is red, Y is green, and Z is blue in the viewport. This is especially helpful when you're aiming for a precise, clean rotation without drifting off in other directions. When you're happy with the angle, left-click to confirm the rotation. If you change your mind mid-move, you can simply cancel before clicking and try again. But once you left-click, the transformation is applied. Quick recap so it sticks. Select your object, press Tab to enter edit mode, press 3 for face select, click the face, press R to rotate, optionally press X, Y, or Z to constrain, then left-click to confirm. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.